In this lecture, we will set up our environment. First of all, we will download Python. For this purpose, I go to the python.org. This is the official websites for Python. And here you can see this is the latest version of Python 3.6.0. Python had two versions, Python 2 and Python 3. Python 3 is the latest version and I'm using Python 3. So we will download Python 3. Here are some options for downloading. You have to install an executable file. If your window is 32-bit, select the window 32-bit x86 executable, or if your window is 64-bit, then select window x86 64 executable. In my case, my window is 32-bit, so I will select window x86 executable. And if you can check your system that is at 32-bit or 64-bit in the system information, then download according to your system, because it will if you are downloading wrong version, that it will compatibility issue. Go to the download file. Here you can see the my Python 3.6.0. so I am clicking on this, right click and open. So now this is my Python. There are the two types, install now and the customize installation. Click on the install now. This installation is going on. Here you can see this is the setup progress. Here before I told you that there are the two versions of the Python 3 and Python 2. Python 3 is the latest version and the Python 2 is the previous version. Most of the people you are using Python 2.7, and but we will use the latest version of Python 3. So after installation we will install an IDE. You can also work on the Python IDE, which will install with this, but this is Python IDE is not the permanent solution. For permanent solution we will also install an IDE. I'm using Pycharm IDE and will tell you how to install, download and install the Pycharm IDE, because you will feel a lot of difficulties when you are using Python IDE. So for the permanent solution we will install Pycharm after the Python program completion of setup installation complete. Here you can see the installation is going on. Now if when the Python is installed, we'll download the Pycharm editor. This is the Pycharm IDE. This is the two version. Pycharm community version is free and the professional version is paid. Therefore I will use the free version. This is the community version. Click on download and start download. Thank you for downloading Pycharm. This is the community. This is the totally free and the best IDE. So click download from here. Start download. After downloading, we will install the Pycharm. I will tell you every step of the installation. This is simple installation. Here in my download file is the Pycharm setup. Right click and open. Now click on next. Check both the boxes here. And click on next. Install now. Now it will be installed. Now I am going to test a program that my IDE is working or not. So I am searching for the Pycharm. Here is my Pycharm. Click on OK and it will start now. This is the Pycharm IDE. This is a beautiful IDE and much better than others. Downloading projects. I already created another project. This is my previous project here. Now I will tell you how to create a new one. So for new project, click on file and new project, select. Here are the two types. Number first, where your project my project will be in the E folder, E disk, and my workspace. And after I will create the tutorial folder for this package and select any interpreter. This I'm using 2.5.0 interpreter, and you can select any one. 3.0 I'm using 3.5. you can select any one. 3.5 and 6 are same almost. After clicking OK, I will get this is my new project. Now we will create a new file of Python. For new, right click on here and create a new file. Now I am creating a test file, so I am giving test.py. don't forget the py extension py, because this is must for a Python. This is my Python file. Now I'm creating testing this. For this purpose I am printing something, print Hanif Marwat in the double quotes. So but it will not run, because here you can see that below you can see that the background processing are going on, and it will work after this background processing. So you have to wait a little bit for these background processes, because at the start of any project it will load some interpreters, some packages, etc. So you have to wait a little bit for this. After this loading it will work, and we will run our program. So wait a little bit. Loading here complete. Now I will run my program. In the menu file you can see the run. Click on run. Okay, click on test, and now it's run, but it gives an error. Oh, what's that? The error is that because I'm using Python 3, and in Python 3 it must to put brackets. In the Python 2 you don't need brackets, but in Python 3 is necessary. So I'm putting brackets and run again. Oh, I got it's printing Hanif Marwat. Run again, so you can see this. If you found something difficult, then contact me, hanif@marwat.com, or Skype me, hanif@marwat96. I will help you until you got this. This is a very difficult step, but do this. Good luck, my friends.